All right, we're live. It's recording, and we're going to do some planning poker. This is Team 5. We're going to start with the questions. How many lessons do we want for our lessons page? So in the story description, let's put how many. Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
All right,
So,
cool.
how many lessons for each topic, or just all together, all the topics?
All together.
All together.
All right. Just clarifying.
All right.
Okay.
So Brent has the highest and Michael has the lowest. But you guys can justify your reasoning, and then we'll revote.
Well, I figured I picked 13 because it was closer to 10. I figured 10 was a good number to be a start to a website. 10 gospel topics, one covering each site. That's my justification.
Yeah, and I was just thinking 5 because we could have 5 people in the group, and then we could just each do one of each. But really, they shouldn't take that long, so I'd be all right with like 8 or 10.
10?
Right. I mean,
Maybe 10 is good. I don't know.
Yeah, because then we
Well,
could
right,
each
'cause,
just
like,
do 2.
this can be our primary role. And I already have 2 written out, so
Oh, nice.
10's definitely. I don't know. I think 10's doable, but
Yeah, I've already done 1, and if you've done a couple.
Was I still doing them even with the developing the site, or was it?
No, you don't have
no,
to
you're
do any.
the developer.
Right.
All right, everyone agree on 10 then?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
Put it in the sheet.
All right, so let's come over here and put like 10 of those. And then how many desserts do we want?
Wow!
Oh,
Ah, consensus.
that's awesome. Okay, so by 8, did everyone mean 10, or did you mean 8?
I think 10. I think we
Yeah.
can skip the next one too. I think we just want 10 for all 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's kind of what I'm going for. Do we all agree on that?
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right. So now, I guess, how long it will take to write the lessons, or how long we want to spend on that.
So we're doing 1 point equals 1 day.
Yeah. Well,
Or
so
maybe since we're doing the class in terms of like weeks, maybe we could do weeks because like
Yeah.
how many weeks should it take before we have everything ready?
So how about this then? Just to rephrase that a little bit. So there's 4 weeks left. Is that correct, or 5?
I think 4.
Yeah, 4.
4. So how
4
about we say
sounds
how
right.
many lessons?
well, we only have 3 sprints, and then the fourth
I
one
think
is
it might have to be. I know we're supposed to vote on it, but it might just have to be a week per thing. So a week to get the lessons done, a week to get the desserts done, and a week to get.
Yeah.
I don't know. We gotta
That
vote.
sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So is each point a day or a week?
So we'll do a week. Each point's a week.
All right.
Wait, did it reset?
Oh, oops, clear votes. My fault. No one look what I wrote.
Are we saying how many activities we need per week, or how many weeks per?
We're doing how long to take to complete all the lessons, all the activities, like.
All of them?
Or no, right now we're just talking about
Lessons,
how
right?
for the
How
lesson.
many weeks will it take to write up all the lessons?
Yeah.
Is what I'm getting from this.
I was trying to click on your screen. It wasn't working.
No. It's fine.
Oh man. Wait.
I probably just misunderstood you guys. Yeah, I think I know.
One sounds good.
Yeah. I
Maybe
think,
what we should do though is maybe we should just, since there's 3 of us working on it, maybe one of us takes the FHE lessons, one of us takes desserts, and one of us takes activities,
Well, I don't
each of us.
know. The lessons will be a lot more time consuming than the desserts and activities. I,
Yeah.
w- I was thinking if you guys each just want to make sure you get all your lessons done, like say for this week or next week. Like you said, like 2 lessons won't take that long, and then next week you'll all find 2 desserts or whatever, and then like just go like that each week, focusing on the one thing. And then
Okay.
in the meantime, I'll have to be making sure I continue on the site to get it ready for that last week to upload it all.
Okay.
Sounds good. So by the end, we should each have like 3 or 4 of each.
Yep.
So we're saying by the end of this week, that many lessons, and then next week we'll do activities, and then the next week desserts.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Or
to
we
me.
could just have it where each of us is gonna have 10 assignments, right, to do. So just say each of us. Doesn't matter which ones you get done, but get 3 of yours done each week.
Yeah.
If you want to, I don't know, whatever you guys think. That's not the way.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. Whatever
Yeah.
you're doing, just do 3 things a week.
Yeah, because we're just gonna have 3 of each. We're gonna have 3 activities, 3 lessons, 3 desserts.
Yeah.
So maybe that way, if you can plan an FHE for your family each week that consists of all 3 of those.
That's a good idea too, because that way it'll balance out the time. Because the desserts will probably be like easier, and that way it's like, yeah, more balanced.
Yeah.
Pretty much you can do whatever you want as long as you're keeping up with, like you said, 3 complete each week or
Okay.
2 or whatever you said.
So should we just plan on putting ones here for,
I think so.
yeah, one? Then how long to develop the website? I'll clear the votes this time.
Are we talking about how many hours? How many?
Weeks, I think again.
Well, it's gonna be 4, right? So
Right.
maybe we should just do hours for the sake of playing the game.
Wait. What?
Well, with the
Consensus.
Well, let's just for fun, so we can have better experience playing. Let's play, but say how many hours we think it's going to take.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
How many hours?
Collective hours.
Collective hours between, yeah, because that includes researching the topics, huh?
Most of
Right.
I don't.
I was thinking, so it goes 10 hours each, 1 hour per item, so 10 times 4.
Even with the website, you think how long will the website take, Jay?
I have no idea. I guess 8, but
So my 40 was all of us combined.
oh,
Yeah, that's kind of what I was going for, too.
like
I don't know.
oh, you're talking about time put into the lessons, time put into the desserts, time put
Whole
into the.
project?
Yeah, everything.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, then obviously it would be a lot more. But I have no idea how much.
That was fun.
100. I have no idea.
Thank goodness that's not really the answer.
Oh, man.
Cool.
Alright. So that's our poker, I guess.
That kind of was our scrum meeting too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess.
Maybe
Yeah.
for Scrum Review, we can show,
What we've done.
yeah, I'm going to pull up my screen and show that, yeah, I've done just a couple of the dessert ideas. Indoor s'mores, that sounds good. I actually kind of want to do that. And chocolate-covered strawberries, those are good.
Sweet.
And for lesson plan, I did priorities. Have you guys done this object lesson where you got the ping pong balls in the sand and you put it in the mason jar? So basically, like the ping pong balls are spiritual things, and the sand is worldly things like going to school, and then the mason jar represents your life. And then if you put the sand in first, and then the ping pong balls in, everything doesn't fit. But if you put the or if you put the ping pong balls in first and then pour the sand around it, then everything fits. So it just kind of teaches that you have to sort out your priorities, put spiritual things first. So that's a fun one. And activities, I did ping pong golf. That's always a fun one. I've played that with my buddies. You just get ping pong balls in disposable cups and you fill the cups with water. And then you just put them, throughout the house, and you put start points, and you just shoot the ping pong balls, or you throw them, and play golf with it. That's fun.
Sounds good.
Cool.
I'm switching over to your screen, Jay.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the mock-up I have so far of the site. I'll probably be changing the colors as well. I don't know yet for sure what it'll end up, but basically there's going to be this drop down where you can pick a category, and then I don't have it working yet, but once you click it, then it'll update here to the lessons in that category, and then you can click on the lesson and it'll take you to the contents. Here, same thing with the activities, with the desserts, and then this will just be a button that you click if you want to paste in a lesson plan. So that's where we're at.
That's looking good.
So our plan for this week then is to make sure that everybody completes 3 of the lessons or activities, or
Yeah. And
Culmination.
Jay can keep going at the website.
Yeah, I need to keep moving forward with the website, make sure it's done. So.
okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Sounds good. Does that conclude our meeting and what we need to record?
I think so.
I believe so.
I think so too. Sounds good.